The earnings season reaches a crescendo today with an avalanche of earnings from airlines, oil companies, and retailers. Here to make sense of it all is Elliot Gotkin in London. Good morning, Elliot.
Good morning, Alison. Yeah, well, a mixed bag of results today. But looking at the broader picture, just want to tell you that if you moved your money into the stock market here in Europe at the start of the second quarter, there's a pretty good chance you're going to be sitting fairly pretty today. The Dow Jones Stock 600 European benchmark is now at an 8-month high. It's up by more than 15% in the quarter. Profits at European companies fell 40%, but more than half of them, from Gucci owner PPR to oil company BP, managed to beat analyst estimates. And of course, on the States, in the US, you've been talking about how it's a similar picture there. And also, we're wondering really what this says about the state of the world economy. You, of course, have got those GDP figures coming out later. But here in Europe, we already know that European confidence in the economic outlook is growing faster than forecast. And that's been filtering through into better than expected earnings. So Germany's Volkswagen, for example, earnings there falling less than expected, mainly thanks to demand for premium brand Audi in emerging markets like Brazil and China. VW saying that there's a small degree of economic recovery it's expecting to see, and that'll help improve earnings within a short period of time. Staying in Germany, DHL owner Deutsche Post, it's been gaining ground too on reports that airline cargo improved in June, and today it said that it would return to profit this year. So 2 votes there for economic recovery, but before you breathe a sigh of relief, there are still some companies out there still howling in pain. German chemicals company BASF saying net income fell 75% in the second quarter. It missed analyst estimates and said it expected a significant drop in sales and earnings this year. That's after closing factories to offset falling demand. Still, BASF, VW and the flurry of French companies out with earnings this morning, such as PPR and Lafarge, the cement maker there, they all have something in common, and that is economic growth in emerging markets, helping to offset the weakness back home in their own markets. For now, back to you, Alison.
Okay, Elliot, thanks.